Hello there, and welcome to Dreemo channel. Tonight, we leave the quiet depths of the earth and drift out into the infinite stillness of space, exploring the most massive and silent objects in the cosmos, black holes and galaxies. These immense structures defy understanding, yet their peaceful, slow rotation offers the ultimate calm. Their existence reminds us that there is a vast, quiet order stretching far beyond our vision. If you enjoy these gentle journeys, remember to relax, allow your body to soften, and let your mind settle into the cosmic stillness. Let's begin. A single black hole is not empty space. It is an immense concentration of matter. Most people imagine a black hole as a void, a literal hole in the universe. In truth, it's the remains of a star so heavy that gravity has completely crushed its entire mass into a single, infinitesimal point called a singularity. If our own sun were to become a black hole, it would shrink to the size of a marble, yet still possess the exact same gravitational pull. This massive density creates a surrounding boundary called the event horizon, where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can ever escape. This boundary is the true edge of the known universe. Galaxies, including our own Milky Way, are held together by a colossal, central black hole. At the heart of nearly every large galaxy, including the one we drift in, sits a supermassive black hole. Our own galaxy's central anchor is called Sagittarius. It weighs over 4 million times the mass of the Sun. Despite its size, it acts more like a quiet, enormous anchor than a destroyer, gently dictating the slow, stable orbit of billions of stars around it. These galaxies move with an incomprehensible slowness, rotating once every several hundred million years. Let that peaceful, vast slowness be your guide tonight. One of the most fascinating aspects of these cosmic giants is how they warp the fabric of reality itself. According to Einstein's theory, the closer you get to the massive gravity of a black hole, the slower time moves relative to an observer far away. If you could somehow hover safely near the event horizon for a few minutes, hours, or even a day, years might pass for friends back on Earth. This is a quiet, profound truth that time itself is not fixed, but flows at different rates depending on where you are in the universe. In this deep cosmic quiet, there is no rush, only the gentle bending of time and space. A common misconception is that black holes wander through space, actively seeking out and consuming stars. In reality, they are governed by the same rules of gravity as everything else. They only pull things in if those objects cross the event horizon. If our sun were instantly replaced by a black hole of the same mass, the Earth would continue to orbit it exactly as it orbits the sun now. We would simply be orbiting a tiny, dark object instead of a bright one. Black holes are quiet neighbors, maintaining order through sheer, immense mass. When we look beyond the galaxies, we find the largest structures of all, cosmic voids. These are vast, enormous spaces between galaxy clusters, where there are few or no stars, gas, or dust. These voids can stretch for hundreds of millions of light years across. They are not entirely empty, but they are the closest thing to absolute space. The galaxies themselves form a giant web around these immense, quiet bubbles. In the deep stillness of the void, there is profound silence and infinite room to breathe. The closest large galaxy to the Milky Way is the Andromeda Galaxy, or M31. It is currently about 2.5 million light-years away, but it is moving towards us at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second. This means in about 4.5 billion years, our two galaxies will gently collide and merge to form a new, even larger galaxy, often nicknamed Milkomeda. While the word collision sounds violent, the actual merging of Andromeda and the Milky Way will be a slow, quiet, almost artistic dance. Since the distance between stars within a galaxy is enormous, the chance of two individual stars actually hitting each other is extremely small. Instead, the galaxies will flow through each other, gravitational forces slowly reorganizing the stars into new, wide-sweeping orbits over hundreds of millions of years. It is a slow, majestic, and non-violent restructuring on the grandest scale imaginable. Nothing to fear in this vast, patient universe. Before a star becomes a black hole, it may first collapse into a neutron star. These are the densest objects in the universe besides black holes. A neutron star is so heavy that just 1 teaspoon of its material would weigh about 6 billion tons. They are essentially giant atomic nuclei, spinning incredibly fast. Yet, despite their extreme mass, they are incredibly small, only about the size of a city. They remind us of the immense power contained in a tiny, quiet space. Finally, let us settle your mind with the ultimate proof of cosmic stillness. The entire universe is bathed in a faint, uniform microwave glow called the cosmic microwave background, CMB, radiation. This is the residual heat echo from the very beginning of the observable universe. This glow is perfectly smooth and uniform across the entire sky. It is the universe's ultimate ambient sound, a soft, even energy that proves the cosmos, at its foundation, is in a state of profound, universal peace. Let this gentle, ancient warmth lull you to sleep. When we look at the formation of stars, we observe a process that is profoundly calm and slow. Stars are born inside massive clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. Gravity gently pulls the gas inwards over millions of years, slowly concentrating the material until the pressure is great enough to ignite fusion. This birth is not an explosion. It is a slow, quiet coalescence of matter, a long, patient accumulation of cosmic dust settling into warmth. The process is a testament to the patient power of gravity. Even within a galaxy, the emptiness is astonishing. The nearest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. To put that in perspective, if the Sun were the size of a marble, the nearest star would still be several hundred miles away. Space is defined by its emptiness. This vast, profound nothingness between objects ensures that the universe operates in quiet isolation, where every body floats alone in perfect stillness. Our entire solar system is moving around the center of the Milky Way galaxy at approximately 220 kilometers per second. Yet, because the galaxy is so large, one full trip around the center, one galactic year, takes about 230 million Earth years. The structures in the sky seem fixed, but they are all in motion, a grand, slow waltz that lasts for eons. Close your eyes and feel the immense slowness of this cosmic rotation. When a star like our Sun reaches the end of its life, it does not explode dramatically. It gently shrinks into a white dwarf. This remnant is incredibly dense and slowly, quietly fades away over tens of billions of years. It no longer generates heat through fusion. It simply radiates its residual warmth into space until it eventually becomes a cold, dark black dwarf. This gentle, unimaginably long fade is the ultimate cosmic rest, a quiet slumber after billions of years of shining. One of the most comforting facts about the cosmos is its geometry. Current scientific measurements suggest that the universe is spatially flat. This means that if you drew a vast, cosmic triangle, the sum of its internal angles would always be 180 degrees, just like on a flat piece of paper. This simple, perfect flatness implies a balance and order that extends across all of creation, a foundational piece that underpins everything. Let your mind settle on this simple, perfect geometry. When we measure the rotation of galaxies, we find they spin much faster than the visible stars and gas should allow. This implies that most of the galaxy's mass is invisible. This unseen substance is called dark matter. It does not emit, absorb, or reflect light. yet its immense, silent gravitational presence holds galaxies together. It is an immense, quiet scaffolding, ensuring the stability of the cosmos. Its influence is everywhere, yet it remains perfectly still and unseen. Not all planets orbit stars. There are billions of lonely, rogue planets that have been ejected from their original solar systems, drifting alone through the vast, cold interstellar space. These worlds are bathed in absolute darkness and profound isolation. They are traveling silently through the galaxy, heated only by their own internal core, entirely independent and without a sun to guide them. This solitary, peaceful journey is a unique form of cosmic existence. The most massive events in the universe, such as two black holes merging, don't create noise. They create gravitational waves. These are ripples in the very fabric of space-time, spreading outward at the speed of light. They are so gentle that by the time they reach Earth, they move things by less than the width of an atom. The universe's greatest collisions produce the quietest vibration, proving that even cosmic violence results in an almost imperceptible, settling peace. We now know of thousands of exoplanets orbiting distant stars. Many of these worlds are locked in synchronous rotation, meaning one side permanently faces its sun while the other side is in eternal darkness. The far side of these worlds is a place of perpetual shadow and profound stillness, untouched by the light or heat of their star, existing in an unending night. Let the image of this quiet, permanently dark side of a distant world soothe your mind. The universe's ultimate end, billions of years in the future, is theorized to be heat death. This is not a dramatic destruction, but an ultimate slowing down, where all energy is evenly distributed and temperatures approach absolute zero. It is a long, slow fade into perfect, uniform stillness. There will be no light, no heat, and no movement, just the final, eternal quiet of the cosmos. This future stillness is the deepest peace imaginable.